How do I cite multiple authors in APA 7th edition?
Hello, citation wizards. In this video, we are going to delve into the world of APA 7th edition and learn how to cite multiple authors. Citing multiple authors might seem tricky at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible.
Citing two authors.
When citing a source with two authors, include both authors' last names, separated by an ampersand, and, for in-text citations. For example, Smith and Johnson, 2020. In the reference list, you will also list both authors, but this time, you will spell out "and" instead of using an ampersand. For instance, Smith, J. and Johnson, K. 2020. Title of the article.
Citing three or more authors.
Things get a bit different when we deal with three or more authors. In in-text citations, after the first author's name, you will use et al., which is short for the Latin term et alia, meaning and others. The format will be Smith et al., 2020. However, in the reference list, APA 7th edition requires you to list up to 20 authors before using et al. The format will be Smith, J, Johnson, K, Doe, J, and so on up to the 20th author. 2020. Title of the article. If there are more than 20 authors, after the 19th author, insert an ellipsis, followed by the final author's name. No ampersand is used before the ellipsis.
Citing groups as authors.
Sometimes, you'll encounter a source with a group or organization as the author. For in-text citations, write out the full name of the group, followed by the year of publication. In subsequent citations, you may use an abbreviation. Example: American Psychological Association, APA, 2020, for the first time, then, APA, 2020, for subsequent citations. In the reference list, provide the full name of the group, American Psychological Association, 2020. Title of the source. There you have it, friends. You now have a solid grasp of how to cite multiple authors in APA 7th edition. Remember, citing correctly is not just about avoiding plagiarism but also about giving due credit to the original thinkers and researchers. Keep up with your diligent work, and I'll see you in our next APA citation adventure. Happy citing!